I've got to say a big thank you to our good friend, our new brother, Max. His beautiful house here in Niigata, where we've stayed for a few days and shared great food and great company. Max has actually gone to work and we're about to be setting off shortly. Thank you again, Max. Just getting some content uploaded to YouTube. Video going live today. See you on the road. Okay, we're going to be refueling in a Japanese service station. Just to show you how it works. Listen. Okay. We're buying regular. Okay. So I think I'm gonna... First thing you have to do is pop your card in where the green light is flashing. It's gonna verify the card. I want this red fuel. Okay. And then I think this is asking, do we have a point card? I don't have. I'm not sure what the difference is between these two. Fill, I think.
Okay, credit card.
Oh, credit card.
You can use credit card.
Oh, thank you, man. So, thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. So, regular. Okay. Thank you, bro.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. I panicked with that last screen, right? I wasn't sure what it was saying. So, 8 liters, 15. We're going to go for a full tank because it's quite a good price. 161 is quite reasonable. But the music, look at that. We tapped out at 4,000. Cool. Yeah, man. We should have a receipt. Let me just put the 2, 1. So the credit card comes. Recito kudasai. So the receipt is there. I'll give that to Michelle. She'll make do our accounts. 4,007. But look at all the stuff on here. Some of these service stations you rock up and there's so much written on here. One of them I'm scanning, do you want pizza? Do you want to clean the car? Do you want to order some ramen? Excellent. So that's cool. Happy with that one. We're full. We're full. Time to go. That is how, by a professional, that is how to fill up at a gas station in Japan. So I come out of the visitor center, and up here in the sky are dozens of kite surfers? No, not kite surfers, hang gliders. Now, we're not sure what we've stumbled across here. There's a big Torii gate entrance. We don't go through the center. Give a little bow, Michelle, as you go in. So how is this? Must be a little shrine. Well, it's not a little shrine, it's a big shrine. Now with a little debate on there, whether or not I'm pretty sure you should be washing your hands away from the font of water, but there's mixed. Some people are washing straight in the font, which is what you're using to wash your mouth with. Anyway, no towels, Michelle. Just make my hair look beautiful instead. Come on, let's go. Wow, look at these cypress trees. Go ahead of me, Michelle, give the scale, they're beautiful. Beautiful old cypress trees. You see so many of these beautiful temples on the road in Japan. It is a big rope, and I can't remember the name. And Max only told me a couple of days ago. So it's gone straight out my head, Max. I'm sorry, but that beautiful, heavy piece of rope. Two claps, one bow. Make a wish, make a little prayer. Little lizard. Little slow one. Hello, man. Oh, I'll have the stick. I'll have the stick instead. Oishi. Lovely. The gentleman's got a little snail or a little slug. There we go. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Oh, that's better. Beautiful Japanese flag. It's blowing in the wind. So it's got these beautiful stones here engraved just above the flag. Maybe a little remembrance area. If you are able to read, please translate them for us. Now if I look a bit ragged, we slept in the car last night. It was a pretty tough one last night, very hot, wasn't it? So it might look rough, but not too bad. 2 nights in a car. A small little temple just here, look. Okay. Okay, we're not going to go to that temple. There's a lady praying. I don't want to interfere. We'll come around here and look at this warrior's pony. How beauty is that? We're a little bit out of our depths, Michelle.
Yeah. Cool to see them.
All we know is one of the nicest temples I've seen just on the roadside. And beautiful. The significance of which is lost on us, really. It's a shame. We do need a guide. We need a Max. Oh, you're going to love this. Fatty pork. Turn that heat down a little bit. So it's pork belly. We're going to render it. We're going to turn it over. Just get that side a little browner. And look at the oil coming off of that, you see. If you look at the view, it's beautiful. I tell me, this is a reservoir. We're all on our own. Absolutely gorgeous. It's cool. Michelle's gone for a little walk around the reservoir. There's a path around there. I said I'm going to start the cook. So Bubbles is here. So what I'm going to be doing tonight is we've got this lovely fatty pork that we bought just an hour or so back in a little supermarket. Look at the lovely juice, the lovely fat coming off there, see? I'm going to season that a little bit more, so if I can stand you somewhere, if I can just stand you somewhere for a moment. Now I was thinking of adding a little extra salt, but this is a French seasoning. It has salt in it, and cumin and cardamom and all sorts of cool flavours. You still with me? Do I look a mess sleeping in the car 2 nights? Absolutely exhausted last night. It was so hot. I'm so happy to be up in the mountains where it's a little bit cooler. We're on our way to Kyoto. We're going to have a bit of a break in Kyoto. Lots to share with you there, I think. But I said to Michelle, I really want proper food tonight. Well, you know, proper food. I want fatty, beautiful. I mean, technically it's unsalted bacon, isn't it? So when you look at sliced belly bacon, so I'll pull them apart. I'm going to get the heat up a little bit. Now I haven't got the sound on. I see Michelle. Michelle just came around, so she's heading around to the bathrooms. Hear the Halloween. Halloween. Trick or treat. I want to get some colour. I want to get some colour on this. Oh yeah. Smelling good. The seasoning is perfect. Tiny bit longer. And what I'm going to do, that fat is not going to waste. I'm going to put 1 or 2 portions of cooked rice into that, and a few other little bits that we've got. Some cucumbers we've got left over from a meal earlier on. There's a potato cake, or this one here is a little potato cake. Just going to dice it up and chuck it in there. And turn the heat off for a moment. Let that continue just to crisp up. Hello, Michelle.
Hello.
Looking good. Look, smell that.
Oh, it smells good. I can smell it.
A lot of oil, but that's going to be tasty.
Yeah, it's cool.
A lot of people would waste that oil and tip it off, but that's flavour. That's all the back fat juices. And I'm going to use, I think I might go for 2 lots of rice. Is that too much?
We've got pasta salad as well.
Ah.
So just one that I think is enough.
Okay, yeah, we've got a pasta salad. I forgot we bought a couple of little packets of pasta salad, so can't really put it back on.
Can you get a plate?
Oh, I can. I'm going to be cleaning it through. I don't mind. No, let's go back on there. We're going to be heating it up again, so no big problem. So pop the, not bacon. Look how crispy and beautiful that is. Pop that there. Hopefully the flies aren't going to come and...
Mr. Buzzy Bee, Bumblebee.
Hold that for me, Michelle. Whoa, whoa. Catch that bumblebee. Catch him with my chopsticks.
I'm adding him
Catch
to
him.
it.
Ooh, that's
good.
tasty. Sorry. Double dipping, but that is delicious. So let's get, these are these little packs of rice that you buy in the supermarkets. If you've been to Japan before, you know all about these. If you haven't, you might think this is a little peculiar, but it isn't. It isn't peculiar. It's so common. You film that bee there, Michelle. Look at him.
Yes.
Look at him, a little hornet. It's gorgeous.
Yes.
Pretty as he.
We've had them all.
Big fella.
We've had dragonflies and
Hey,
grasshoppers.
get off. He can have a little bit if he wants.
Yeah.
Look, he's going on there.
He's going for it.
Going on there.
Yeah.
You can have a little bit, not too much. But if you take a whole slice and run it home, he's buzzing away. So get that rice in there. Little fried rice. Little potato croquette. I'm just going to cut that with the chopsticks. I'll cut that into 4 pieces, 6 pieces maybe. I do like cutting with chopsticks, they work so well, you know. There we go. Okay, turn that heat back on. Let's pop the bacon in there as well.
Or the pork.
The pork, sorry, yeah. Just continue to coat that through. So there you go, Michelle. Roadside. We've got a pasta salad. We've got our fried rice. I've actually put the pork over to one side. These little bits of cucumber. You're going to love that rice. Loads of flavour. The seasoning. Let's get a piece of that pork, Michelle, just to show everyone that lovely fatty belly pork. Oh, do we eat well for a couple of travellers, Michelle? Roadside, middle of nowhere, in the mountains, delicious. Oh, there is a road above us, so it's a little noisy. Pork fat fried rice with croquette, potato croquette, but the star is really that pork. Delicious. Michelle's salivating, so go on, Michelle, tuck in. See you on the road.
All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.